Owning a cheese board business is not as easy as it seems, and it does actually require some skill and experience, and let me explain that. Today was the perfect example of this, and it was mainly due to the conditions that I was working in. I said it once, and I will say it again, the wind is my least favorite element to work in, and today I was hit with my two worst nightmares, which is direct sunlight and wind. Trying to put out nearly 20 feet of parchment paper while it was blowing like this, I had to keep everything on top, and it was just a huge mess. Things were literally flying all over the place. It did turn out fine in the end, but it was just such a journey to get here. It took me 2 hours to set up. I tried to angle the umbrellas as best I could so the most shade was covering, but there was still that gap of sunlight in the middle, which was stressing me out, but it was fine. I didn't do any salami rivers. I kept the salami on ice until the very end because salami will get brown in the sun, and I'd rather have fresh, cold salami than folded brown rivers. But it did end up looking beautiful. The client loved it, which is all that matters. Did have to clean up a bunch of strawberries and crackers and cheese from the ground before I left. Once we enter the summer months, we stopped doing outdoor tables, so this is one of the last few of the spring before we stop.